All right, let's jump straight into it. Welcome to today's Explainer, where we are going to break down a highly specific, totally actionable AI production checklist. Now, if you are a non-technical small business owner, if the mere thought of video editing or complex coding makes you want to pull your hair out, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're unpacking the precise parameters for generating a specific digital asset. We're talking about a true three-step revenue blueprint designed specifically for beginners. So this brings us to the $1,000,000, or I should probably say the $100 question. What actually goes into a $100 a day blueprint? Because let's be honest, it is incredibly easy to talk about generating daily revenue online. But how do we move past all that hype and turn a simple structured plan into a real consistent daily revenue stream? Well, the blueprint we are analyzing today is not some vague theory. It's a rapid-fire checklist of confirmations you need to output a highly targeted product. Section 1. Defining the revenue goal, or the trumpet. Before we even think about touching the tech, we absolutely have to lock in our objective. And notice how intentional this number is. The blueprint explicitly frames this around making $100 a day. For a beginner or a non-technical small business owner, that is an incredibly approachable daily baseline. It's not about trying to build the next tech unicorn overnight, it's about establishing a measurable target. This right here is step 1 of our 3 simple steps. Define a tangible, realistic goal. Okay, so how do we actually hit that target? The blueprint reveals that this $100 a day goal relies entirely on creating one highly specific short-form asset, a detailed 3-minute YouTube video. I want you to think of this like a miniature digital storefront. You build it once, and boom, it stays open 24/7, working for you around the clock. And notice the word detailed here. Every single second of that short runtime has to deliver real value. Moving right along to Section 2, the core AI engine powering the blueprint. This brings us to step 2 of our revenue plan, picking your tool. Because how do we build this digital storefront without any technical skills? Well, the checklist relies on a specific software engine to do all the heavy lifting for us, InVideo AI. You are not manually cutting clips or agonizing over transitions here. Imagine InVideo AI as your incredibly fast, highly obedient robotic video crew. You get to be the director, and the AI is your crew executing your vision. But listen, even a robotic crew needs a script, right? The checklist brilliantly asks, any specific steps or outline you want covered? This just goes to show that a successful blueprint absolutely requires you to define the exact structure right up front. You cannot just throw a vague idea at the AI and cross your fingers for a masterpiece. Providing an outline guarantees a structured, logical output that actually serves your business goals, instead of just relying on total guesswork. Section 3. Setting the right vibe and audio parameters. So we've got our engine, we've got our outline, but how should the final product actually feel? This leads us to step 3 of our daily revenue plan, polishing the audio and visual vibe. The first critical audio parameter here is key factor in keeping an audience engaged. If the music is blaring, it distracts from your core message. If it's too quiet, the asset feels completely empty. It's all about striking that perfect balance. Then we dive into the real specifics. The blueprint calls for a slow tempo of 15 to 30 BPM, or beats per minute. Now, if you aren't an audio engineer, that probably sounds like a bunch of technical jargon, so let's break it down really simply. A normal resting human heartbeat is somewhere around 60 to 100 beats per minute. So 15 to 30 BPM, that is an incredibly slow, deliberate, and relaxed pace. It tells the AI exactly what kind of auditory landscape to paint for your audience. And I love how the checklist brings us all together into something totally understandable. It translates that technical 15 to 30 BPM metric with one simple phrase, very chill, confirm. It is honestly perfect. It takes a highly technical audio specification and turns it into an accessible, human, easily understood vibe. You don't need to understand audio frequencies. You literally just need to confirm that you want the environment to be very chill so your viewers feel relaxed and receptive to whatever you're sharing. Finally, Section 4, finalizing visual specifications, the final canvas. These are our absolute final technical checks before we tell the AI to execute the plan. The checklist wraps up with 2 firm visual formatting parameters, an aspect ratio of 16:9 and a resolution of 1080p. For my non-technical business owners, 16:9 is simply the standard widescreen format you already see on your TV or computer monitor. And 1080p? That just means high definition, crisp, clear, and super professional. By confirming these exact specs, you are perfectly standardizing your asset for YouTube. You're basically making sure the window of your digital storefront is sparkling clean, the right size, and totally ready for customers. So we have seen exactly what goes into prompting an AI for a revenue-generating asset. We've defined that highly approachable $100 target, we've set up the NVIDIA AI engine to do the heavy lifting, we've dictated that very chill vibe, and we've locked in the crisp visual canvas. You now have the exact parameters to create your own strategic asset, and you definitely don't need a film degree to pull it off. The entire structure is right there in front of you. So the only question left to ask yourself is, are you ready to confirm your blueprint?